Welcome to our video today. Today we're going to go through the OA Aspen Knee Brace. Taylor Parks from the company Aspen is going to walk us through the product description and how to apply it on a patient. As always, if you like this video, please comment below and please, as always, subscribe to our channel. Taylor?
Thank you. So, the OA wrap is designed to be a device that is used when you are ambulatory. So we don't necessarily need to wear the brace while we're sitting for long periods or on a car ride, but we want to use the brace as we're performing our activities of daily living that normally cause pain in our knee. So the CDC estimates that over 32 million Americans will have some form of arthritis in their lifetime. So it's a very common problem. In fact, 1 in 4 of us could experience these types of symptoms at some point in our life. So we are excited to show you about the wrap, how it works, and how to put it on. So the OA wrap is designed to be used in a way that unloads the opposite side of your knee, right? So the pressure is relieved on one side. And the way I like to think about it is if I'm walking through a set of double doors and I push on one side, what's going to happen to the other side? It's going to open up. The concept is the same with the OA brace. So as we push on this side of Steve's knee, it's going to open up the other side, creating that small amount of space to relieve your symptoms. So to apply the brace, we will need our key here, okay? So we're going to take that out of the bag, and then we're going to use our numbered tabs to attach the wrap, right? So I'm going to come underneath, and right above the knee, I've got my first tab, okay? Then we have number 2, 3, and 4. All right, so now we have the brace in a good position. We can adjust the condyle pad here to give us the proper amount of push on that unaffected side to relieve the symptoms on the other side. So we're going to do it from the top and the bottom. Okay. So as I insert my key, if I turn clockwise, you're going to see that start to move inward. So whatever I do on the top, I'm going to do on the bottom. All right? So now, if we needed to move out, all we're going to do is turn counterclockwise. So once we achieve the proper amount of push, again, whatever we do on the top, we're going to do on the bottom, we will tighten our last straps, which are also numbered. So this is number 5. And that's going to come through here and around. The last one is 6 on the thigh. You are ready to wear your device. So you can have some movement, walk around, see how the brace feels. If the next time you apply the brace you feel like you need more load or need to back off of it, you can certainly do so. And we hope that will help you in your activities of daily living.
So Taylor, I have jeans on. It's quite cold today in North Carolina. Would you normally use these with jeans?
You would not. So we prefer that you wear the brace directly on your skin. Why do we say that? So braces are always naturally going to move up and down. So if we have direct contact with your skin, it's going to help keep the brace in place.
Thank you for following along with our video. Please subscribe to our channel if you thought this video was helpful. Thank you and heal up.